The 28th Southeast Asian Games is drawing towards the finish here in Singapore, but there's still plenty of tension and anticipation as we close in on the final 3 days of racing at the National Sailing Centre. Today's racing schedule was all about the two-person dinghies, 420 and 49er FX, as well as the Junior Optimist class, with the weather overhead cloudy and stormy. With it came the breeze and some fast-paced competitive action as teams battle in a fight to the end.
It was quite exciting because the wind was quite strong, and yeah, it's nice to see a strong wind because of the more power and because the boats were moving very fast, and there was a lot of adrenaline during the racing.
The Sea Games are also a great benchmarking event, as just the top team from each nation competing means athletes can compare their performance against each other. Whilst the focus is on success here in Singapore, athletes are also checking in on what they need to tailor their performance for their next event, such as the Worlds. Arriving to race in optimum shape is crucial.
Before the Sea Games, I have training in Europe around 1 month. Because to get experience, to get improve our tactics and get better.
The Malaysian athletes are currently leading in the boys' youth division in the 420 class, so their preparation has paid off. 4 races today with 2 more wins and 2 second places gives Malaysia a useful points advantage over Thailand, who are in second place. Singapore is in third. A reverse podium order in the girls' 420 fleet sees Singapore leading, Thailand in second and Malaysia in third. In the 49er FX women fleet, the breeze guaranteed thrilling racing, with the boats literally flying above the water at high speed. This new Olympic class is the fastest competing in the 28th Southeast Asian Games and probably the one offering the most dramatic racing. Medal deciding day tomorrow for the 470 men and women as well as the Optimist class. Just 4 medal races to decide the podiums. Join us tomorrow, watch the racing unfold and check in on those with the skill and nerve required to secure glory. The anticipation builds.